According to the latest statistics from the CDC, in the United States alone, there are an estimated 37 million individuals, about 1 in 10, that currently have diabetes, and approximately 96 million, that's 1 in 3, that have prediabetes. Balancing blood sugar levels in the body is a delicate task. There are many factors that can affect blood glucose levels, primarily diet and lifestyle, but also medical conditions and medications. Glucose is the primary sugar found in your blood, coming directly from foods eaten, and it's also your body's main source of energy. When there's too much glucose in your blood over a period of time, it can damage blood vessels, tissues, and organs, and potentially lead to serious health issues like diabetes, heart disease, cognitive disorders, as well as vision, nerve, and kidney problems. There now is an easy and convenient way to test your blood sugar in your own home with our A1C test kit. The hemoglobin A1C or HbA1c test is a simple blood test that measures the percentage of hemoglobin A proteins in red blood cells that have glucose attached. The higher our blood glucose is on average, the more glucose there is attached to the hemoglobin A1C protein. Our HbA1c level reflects our average blood glucose over the past 3 months, and a healthy level below 5.7% is what is recommended, while a level above 5.7 indicates chronic elevated glucose and warrants a discussion with a healthcare provider. The test kit is easy to use. First, read all the directions thoroughly and follow each step as stated. Fill out the information on the collection card and register the kit on Omega Quant's website. A simple finger prick will draw a blood sample, then mail the sample the same day it was taken in a prepaid return mail envelope to Omega Quant. The results will be sent to the email address provided. Dietary and lifestyle modifications may be advised to improve the level if needed, along with a recommendation to retest in 3 months. So testing, knowing, and monitoring your hemoglobin A1C level will enable you to manage it better through diet and lifestyle modifications, or with medications if needed.